Okay, so I guess that's pretty much the lesson for tonight, which is the what we've discussed. I'm sure we can make a little bit more progress. Let's just zoom out. I want to discuss the parts of the chart that we haven't talked about. Now, this is something that I worked out here. A lot of times there's a little confusion about pentatonic scales. A C pentatonic scale, starting on a C, would be in the E shape. It would be okay. That's where that 7 root 2 is. You don't play the 7 in the pentatonic or the fourth. So instead of it's a 5-note scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, root 2. Okay, well that would be a Locrian, if you want to play a nice Locrian there. But the important part is that is the box. The box. And there's a relationship between a C, shaped C, and a, C minor shaped diminished fifth shaped half diminished, B half diminished. Anyway, let's look at this. Okay, I just got a little hot. A lot of my shirts you'll find are the same color. This I got at work. They gave it to us for being good. So the Ionian, okay, let's remember we got modes. We got Ionian, Dorian, Phrygian, Lydian, Mixolydian, Aeolian, Locrian, Ionian again. The Ionian pentatonic goes root 2, 3, 5, 6 root. And now let's look at the Lydian and the Mixolydian first. Lydian's 4, 5, 6, root 2. It's F. And then G. Now keep in mind the G pentatonic has the 7th in it. Okay, so G pentatonic is not a C pentatonic scale in the third inversion, which would be G, A, C, D, E. It's not a second inversion G pentatonic. It is a bona fide Mixolydian fifth, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3. And we've got the 7 there. That is quite different than the Ionian. Even in the Phrygian, we've got the same thing. The Phrygian scale has this kind of half step. It's got kind of a mystical, kind of an Arabian Nights sound to it or something like that. But it's pentatonic, its tritonic is just E, it's just 3, 6, 2. No, it's 3, 5, 7. So we got the 3, we got the 5, and we got the 7. Now notice there's no half steps. I'm not doing half steps in. So if I want to do a pentatonic of the Locrian, I had to make this up. I saw it in a book. It's like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. No, we're not going to do that. Because a pentatonic scale should have whole steps and minor thirds in it. Whole steps and minor thirds. Regular Ionian, whole step, whole step, whole step, minor third, whole step, minor third. Okay? Lydian, whole step, minor third, whole step, minor third, 2 to 4. And Mixolydian, whole step, minor third, whole step, minor third. So that we want to keep it, keep it going so that we got like this nice, and then you can start bending notes on that. I can't get that C. I don't like bending notes because I'm not good at it. Maybe my electric or something will get that out sometime. So I decided that it made a lot of sense, since I didn't want to play any half steps in my pentatonic, to have the minor pentatonics. And you hear that a lot. Play me a minor pentatonic. And I'm like, yeah, just what is a minor pentatonic again? I didn't know till I figured out, or I just had to make a choice that I was going to use for the Dorian, which is a D minor and C. I was going to use its parent key. So if we're doing a Dorian, let's say I can play it down low here, kind of a Dorian minor, start here, up here rather. There's an arpeggio, right? That's just a triad. That's just triads. We want to play a pentatonic. The question is, what are we going to play? Okay. Now, usually the Dorian is the D-shaped pentatonic. Now that D shape, okay, if you go down one pentatonic scale, one pentatonic letter, D becomes a C-shaped minor like that. Okay, so that would be interesting, to do like a C minor from there. I'm not sure how that works, but let's just push on with this. I made the chart, and here's how it goes. We're going to play the pentatonic starting on the 2, which is the Dorian scale. By definition, we're going to play the pentatonic of its parent, which is F. But remember, F would be Lydian. But in the pentatonic F, we don't play the Lydian 4th. We don't play the 7th. So here's the Dorian pentatonic, just like that. So we start on the 2, and then we just do the parent pentatonic there, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2. Phrygian, the parent of the 3rd is the 5th. So we're just going to start on the 3rd and do the parent pentatonic scale. So this I've done it on the piano, It sounds pretty good. Aeolian, we would play the Aeolian 6 going into its parent major. Alright, so how does that really work out? Okay, so at least we could get the Aeolian. If we just play an Aeolian pentatonic, like that. For the Dorian, we use the same trick. We're just going to use the parent shape. So we're going to do the Aeolian on the pattern stack. We just start with the 6th, the minor 6, and we go to the root, 2, 3, 5, 6. That's our pattern. Thanks for watching. See you.